Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kate. So today I woke up very early. I woke up at 6 a.m. I had a family media interview. It was through Zoom, but I had to prepare for it. So this is just the behind the scenes of how that looks like.
I was just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody.
Guys, as you can see, we take our Zoom calls, our interviews very seriously if we are the ones who are doing the back end of it. I like presenting myself nicely, especially now that, we are able to do it. Today's supposed to be cleaning day. Yesterday I went home, washed all my clothes, brought them back. So today I just want to wash my fridge, most importantly, because I put kimchi inside there to come as a kimchi, but the fridge is still smelling of kimchi. So I really need to clean it. Honestly, I'm very embarrassed that the last time I cleaned that fridge is the first day we brought it inside this house. That was the only time I've not cleaned it again. So I have to clean that and then organize it. And then later on, I do have a meeting with Shelly. She's invited me for a food pairing, if I'm not wrong. But more on that later. So I need to wash the fridge.
But you chose me somehow. Now I'm crazy, thinking about you all the time like crazy. Knowing
냄새. 냄새. 디스커스팅한 냄새가 나요. 디스커스팅 shit.
you're by my side. And who was doing fine on my own? But baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. You've seen all my bad sides, yet nothing that I do seems to make you wanna run away. Oh, and I'm so thankful that you found me. Waist deep, thinking about you all the time like crazy. Knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby,
Guys, I'm finally done with the fridge. I let it dry out, nikaweka kila kitu. So now it's at least inuki, thank God. We also cleaned the house. So right now I want to go for the food pairing thing that Shelly had invited me for. The dress code is all black with a touch of white. So let me show you guys what I have worn. So I have this black jacket and this top from Kweli Wear. This is my splash of white plus the white shoes. But this is basically my OTD.
baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. Waist deep, thinking about you all the time like crazy. Knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own,
I saw this petite girl. I just knew it was her.
Do I have a homa today? Hi.
Yeah, thanks. Hi. Hey. Hi, Christine. Sorry, it's okay.
달콤하게 난 너의 시선을 느끼고 있어 멈추지는 마 'Cause I like it, oh I like it electrifying vibe 나를 자극한 전류가 흘러 white noise가 된 sound 시작된 drama 너와 내 climax Love, love, oh yeah, oh yeah, you and my boy Down, down, oh yeah, oh yeah, can't help myself Down, down, baby, 그대 날 데려가줘 right now 아이스크림처럼 날 녹여줘 사이를 Down, down, baby, 그대와 나 Dancing under the light 달빛으로 난 물들여 하늘은
What's good? What's cooking? Singapore is amazing. You guys should be here. We are loving the weather. Oh my goodness.
그대여 날 데려가줘 right now 아이스크림처럼 날 녹여줘 사이를 Down, down, baby, 그대와 나 Dancing under the light 달빛으로 난 물들여 하늘은 걱정 따윈 out 그저 내 맘이 이끄는 대로 Love is do or die 망설이다가 놓쳐버린 time Love, love, oh yeah, you and my boy Down, down, oh yeah, can't help myself Down, down, baby, 그대여 날 데려가줘 right now 아이스크림처럼 날 녹여줘 사이를 Down, down, baby, 그대와 나 Dancing under the light 달빛으로 난 물들여 하늘은 Yeah, yeah 밤에만 사라지겠죠
Guys, as you can see, I am back home. I have removed my extra hair. I'm looking very myself actually. So I'm just from the Jumia Black Friday launch, and guys, let me just tell you, Jumia understood the assignment. It was such an amazing launch. We saw their offices. The decor was amazing. We learned so much also about the brand. If you did advertising and PR, this is how you build brand loyalty. Huh? Because that's what they did. Honestly, it was so amazing. And I actually realized when you're watching this video, it's already November. Actually, this video is going up on 1st November. So, happy new month, guys. Let's do this. Let's work hard and achieve our remaining goals. If there are some or there's one you never started, please, it's time. So, we received this amazing goodie box. So, there are so many brands inside here, and some of these brands are actually participating for the Jumia Black Friday launch. Now, I know Black Friday is usually November 26th, but for Jumia, they're doing it the whole month. And it officially starts on November 4th at 11:59 p.m. Please, usilale hiyo siku. Please, are you listening to me? Usilale. November 4th, 11:59. We should all be in the app because that's where all the deals are going to be. Not on the website, not on mobile web, only on the app. So make sure you've downloaded Jumia. And something also exciting, if you get Jumia Prime, where you pay a monthly fee to get free deliveries, you will be getting a free meal every Wednesday. How exciting is that? So please, if you do not have Jumia Prime, pay for Jumia Prime. Basically, pay for Jumia Prime, and also make sure following me on Instagram to know what code we'll be using this whole November. I'll also be having contests, and I'll be having actually very many codes this month. So make sure you're following me. If you're not following me, you're going to be missing out, honey. Okay, so November 4th 11:59 p.m. si wote tukue kwa Jumia app, sawa, tafadhali. Anyway guys, so we got a lot of Nivea products. Actually, we have Nivea soft care shower, we have deodorant. Who doesn't need deodorant? We always need deodorant. We have a hand cream, we have a protective care hand cream also. This one of them is beeswax and one of them is aloe vera. Is it beeswax? Oh, what is it? I also have a refreshing soft moisturizing cream and perfect and radiant even tone 3-in-1 cleanser. And then we have the perfect and radiant even tone day cream. We have the perfect and matte effect oil control 3-in-1 miracle vanishing cream. We also have, you know, guys, if you don't know what this is, you're not a Kenyan. I feel like there's a point in our lives, as ladies, all of us had a Nivea lip balm, so I'm so happy to have this. And also, or rather, finally, we have the Nivea, another shower gel. It's the Nivea Fresh Care Shower Cream, Lemongrass and Oil. Guys, all these are Nivea products. So many. I'm so happy I'm adding things to my skincare routine. My face is going to be amazing this whole month. So like this, how amazing is that? I know I've never gotten such a big goodie bag ever from any other brand. This is so exciting. And then you also have Nice and Lovely Jelly in Cream. I remember they sent me a package a while back, so I still have them. This, have you tried this? If you've not tried this gel and cream, you should really try it, because it's basically what is it called, like petroleum jelly and cream mixiwa. Like, it's the perfect consistency. I love it. We also have this Maybelline New York Lasting Fix. So this is a setting spray, guys. It's basically they're telling me, please work on your makeup skills, get into makeup. I also got headphones. Now the headphones are not really for me per se, it's actually for Hillary. The current headphones that he has for editing are hata sijui niwaambie venye zinakaa, so I'm hoping he'll be able to incorporate this and it will be easier for him, or rather for both of us actually. But we'll give you guys an update on it once we use it. It's from the brand Zouk and they are wireless stereo headphones. And then finally we got a boti, guys. We got I don't know how to pronounce this. Invaroche Jean Amber. I've been seeing this brand on Instagram and I wanted to try it. If you know me, you know I love whiskeys and I love gins. Those are like my go-to drinks these days. So I'm really excited about this. I'm actually very excited to try it. I've never had it before. And it's colored. It's not pink or clear. It's like amber, like the way it is. Guys, look at this bottle. It looks so premium. It feels so good actually. Itabidi tu niwaonje kwa kamera. Scan code to visit our new website. Guys, there's even a cork up and down, like the way you open wine. It doesn't have such a strong smell actually. Any music mapwa. Actually, guys, I even have a this is a tequila shot glass. I also like tequila also. So I think it's whiskey, gin, and tequila. So let's try this, guys. Jazzy. As in the color, it's so pretty. It smells so good, guys. It smells amazing. Let's try. It's smooth. Kinajaribu. Rebecca is smooth. It's smooth, right? I like the taste. I don't know how I'll tell you the taste, guys, but it's good. I'm so happy. So at least when my friends visit me, we have a drink. You know, we have a special drink for celebrations and stuff like that. Yeah. That's what in wageni. But it's so nice. It's really nice. I like it. I like it. So guys, that is the end of my unboxing. Cheers to you. You should take a shot. Lakini mnaweza kuwa kazi pia. Today, please take a shot. Let's take a shot. I hope you're all ready for Jumia Black Friday because it's going to be amazing, guys. Please, 11:59, November 4th. Let's all be in the app. I will share my code as a pinned comment and in the description so that we can all be, ready to enjoy all these amazing deals. Also remember, please get Jumia Prime. It's going to be worth it. Imagine every Wednesday you get a free meal. I don't know who doesn't love that. So I will catch you guys on the next video. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.